Now what you're looking at right here is the 2014 Nissan Rogue. Now the Rogue has never really been a top contender in the small SUV segment, but for 2014 Nissan is definitely trying to change that. And for the 2014 model year, Nissan has built an all-new platform from the ground up, and it's promising to boast more interior space, as well as the Rogue is supposed to have more technological features and creature comfort features, and as well as increased fuel efficiency. So let's go ahead and check out how it stacks up against the competition. You do have remote keyless entry. Now this one you're looking at right here is an SV model. Has a silver exterior, chrome door handles, smart key access on the driver's door, black cloth interior, power driver's seat with power recline and power lumbar. Now as you can see, it's very Nissan familiar in here. Looks like the Sentra as well as the new Altima. You do have push button ignition, so put your foot on the brake, hit the button to start. You have a CVT automatic transmission. Now I prefer a traditional 6-speed automatic, but the CVT can have a droning noise to it, but that's why I prefer a traditional like 6-speed automatic. You do have a rear backup camera with guidance lines, but the CVT does promise better fuel economy than a traditional automatic. And let's go ahead and turn on the lights as well as the hazards. Automatic driver's side window. And let's go ahead and pop the hood, check out the engine bay. LED turn signal indicators integrated onto the mirrors. Halogen headlights with LED daytime running lights. LEDs are also standard across all trims. Kind of has an aggressive front fascia in my opinion. 2.5 liter dual overhead cam 4-cylinder here. Makes 170 horsepower with 175 pound-feet of torque. Now expect to earn a best-in-class 26 city, 33 highway. Very good for this segment. But that does help also with the CVT automatic. Front-wheel drive also. All-wheel drive is an option. Now the Rogue's main competitors for 2014 is the newly redesigned Jeep Cherokee, which check out my review on that. One of the best SUVs in this segment. Then you have the Sales King, the Honda CR-V. Then you have the Toyota RAV4, Ford Escape. This small SUV segment is definitely very crowded. None of the choices are really bad in the segment. Like I said, EPA estimates are 26 city, 33 highway. Total vehicle price for this particular Rogue is $26,155. Now coming to the rear end, it does remind me of a Lexus RX with the taillight design. You have a rear window wiper, rear window defroster, third brake light. Here's the previous generation Rogue, the outgoing model. And then this one right here is an SL with upgraded wheels and more technological and creature comfort features. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, of course. Nice and padded armrests where your elbows are going to rest. Very stitched too. Nice attention to detail. Love how Nissan is paying attention to small little details nowadays. And let's go ahead and rev up that 4-cylinder. Nice. You also do have chrome door handles right here. Now, build quality and material and fit and finish is superb in the Rogue. You have nice soft touch materials right here, but they're not like overly padded, but they have a nice feel to it. And everything just feels well put together, and that's the most important thing of all. Now you have your cup holders right here, your center console, power outlet down there, nice and stitched and padded right here, auxiliary input, USB port, another power outlet, dual zone automatic climate control, your rear window defroster button. Everything is nice and laid out, simple to use, easy to use, very user friendly. Your AM, FM radio, XM satellite radio as well. You can access various apps. Then you have Bluetooth as well as streaming audio, hands-free calling, and you have the buttons for those functions. Then you have your cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls. Then you have your driver information center, your range, vehicle settings, maintenance. Has lots of data in it. Tire pressure monitoring system as well. All that good stuff. Now the seats, I have to say, are very, very comfortable. Reminds me kind of the Altimas, like how the comfort is. Nice and well bolstered. Just very, very comfortable. I love these seats. Definitely a great long road trip family hauler. Sunglass container. Interior illumination lighting. And visibility is good. This SUV as well. The pillars are not too thick, so it's always helpful. Alrighty. You also do have a sport mode, traction control as well. Tilt steering wheel. Alright. And a navigation system is optional, and you can opt for Nissan's all-around view monitor system to help backing up and parallel parking a lot more easier. And there's much more technological features you can get in the Rogue. And the gauge cluster is nice and easy to read. Very well laid out. Love how this illuminates at night. Looks very nice at night. Alrighty, and let's go ahead and shut down the Rogue. Let's go ahead and check out the rest of the car. Now back here, material quality does follow through in the rear. Still nice and soft to the touch and it's stitched. Now back here you have dual map pockets and rear air vents back here as well. Now it is roomy enough for a family of 5 or 4. However, it's not class leading back here. The Honda CR-V is definitely going to have a lot more room. But definitely with that new platform, it does have a lot more room than the previous generation Rogue. And I feel like the seats could use a little more thigh support. However, the seats themselves are pretty comfortable. They're not hard or anything like the Ford Escape. Alrighty. And you do have an third row back there, which I'm not even going to try to fit into because I already know I can't fit back there. However, those seats are definitely recommended only for small children. Alrighty. And let's go ahead and check out the cargo capacity. Easy access. Now, power liftgate is also optional. Now, these seats do fold down to maximize cargo room as well. When you fold the seats all the way down, definitely has a lot more cargo capacity than the outgoing model. Front manual passenger seat here. The glove box compartment. Alrighty. Now we come down to the simple question, is the new Nissan Rogue a worthy competitor in the small SUV segment? And the answer is simply yes, because of its loads of safety technologies, its fuel efficient